This is a Bluetooth speaker. We had an Octember fail. This is fortunately only the second one for 2022. We're not quite out of the woods yet, this being October, late October. I forget exactly what date it is. But this, October can go into the second, maybe even third week of November, so we're not out of the woods yet. I've had a lot of people tell me about their Octember fails in the comments. One entity in particular who shall remain nameless for the sake of this video. And he's given me lines like, my car ran out of gas because it's October. That's not the car's fault. My printer ran out of ink because it's October. That's not the printer's fault. A light bulb burning out is kind of a gray area, and I had a number of those last year, and that definitely constituted it because there were so many in a row that it kind of added up to a whole October, and it turned into a shit show on top of that. But things breaking in multiples, and I know I did have a bulb burn out, and that in and of itself wouldn't necessarily constitute an October fail, because a light bulb is sort of a consumable, but I just replaced the thing 2 weeks ago. So that definitely qualifies. This Bluetooth speaker looks perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Did a review on this a long time ago. It's got some buttons on top. I can even turn it on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
And the blung right after is this connecting to the Alexa that is in the bathroom. Yes, I have one in the bathroom. This is in the shower, and I have one of those suction cup hooks. It's a suction cup with a hook on it and a little lanyard. Oh, that shouldn't happen. I don't know how that is even possible. Is it a friction fit of that in there? And the surrounding, because this is sort of like a rubbery kind of material, but in here, that's hard plastic. This is like rubbery. It sounds a little different. The piece fits back in just about perfectly like that. You can't even see it. But yet, last night I was upstairs and I heard something fall downstairs, and it was this. So the speaker still works. That's good. Did we shut it off yet? I don't think so.
Power off.
Now we did. Gotta fix that. How are we going to fix that? Well, glue. What kind of glue? This is really a job for CA glue, or crazy glue as people know it. I think originally I wanted to do hot glue because this is Jay, and that's what Jay does, but this whole part around it is rubbery. And I don't know how well CA is going to work on that, but as far as the plastic, is that rubber too? It is. This is going to be a tricky one. But I think we're going to have to do some CA on this, because I don't think hot glue is going to really do it. If it does, it's going to bulge out and be, so we'll find some of that. So I got this cardboard from this Chromify vacuum sealer that didn't work. I sent the actual unit off to Dynatrack. He's probably going to have a video on that, so you want to go and check his channel out for that. I did find some CA here. It opens. Did it dry up? Of course it dried up. Completely dried up. Wonderful. That's not even supposed to happen. Tube still feels like it has stuff. What if I just clip the end of it off? This is not going to be a good thing. Let's do it like that. It shot out everywhere. Oh, we got glue. It comes out real quick. That's why I wanted the cardboard. How is there glue on the speaker already? Well, we'll have to work that out when we get to it. Okay, that's about all I'm going to do. And the little part went in the top, right there, like that. Let me get a paper towel. All right, that's all I got on that. You can barely tell. Little shiny spots here and there, but I think that's certainly fine. Not really concerned about it. Nobody's going to see it where it is. This tube, I don't know if it'll stay or if it's even a good idea to save at this point. It looks like there's a little glue on it that is probably going to glue the cap shut, but hey, if I could save it for one more use for something, I'll give it a shot. As far as this goes, we'll just sort of there you go. That cardboard will never come undone now or something. And nipper's got a little shit on it. I don't know if that's even going to come off. If not, I can grind it off. But that's going to be it. I'm going to leave this for a while. Heating it? I don't know. I'm thinking I'm going to leave it for a bit. Let it just sort of do its thing, and then maybe I'll warm it a bit. I was called away for way longer than I had expected to have been away. Has it dried? I have no idea. It looks like it. We have a small ridge right there. I don't know if the camera even picks it up. You can definitely tell it's been repaired. Yeah, I think that is a successful repair. How long it will hold up, that's a great question. I don't know. I really don't. But the good news is, if it breaks again, there's a bit of a bonus. The bonus is something I'd better show you instead. So let me do that. It'll just be a lot easier. So in my shower stall is the hook that it hangs on, just like that. And yeah, it sits crooked. It actually always did. I don't know why that is, but it always sat crooked. But if it fails again, this came as a 2-pack. And there is the second one. And they work in tandem, like a pseudo stereo type thing. The speakers pair together and then it Bluetooths to the Alexa device. And yeah, okay, all right, it's all right. It's all right. I don't need you right now. That is also on a hook with the same type of lanyard, but this shampoo holder thing that is solidly hanging on there with metal happens to sit right there, and it rests right on the little shelf. So in the event that repair doesn't hold and or I can't fix it any longer, I can swap the two But the problem with that is the Bluetooth is paired with the other speaker, and that pairs with this, so then I got to go in the app and delete it, and then turn this one on and pair the Bluetooth with that, and hope that, and it's a whole mess that nobody should have to go through. So far, so good. It's just hanging there, and I love that kind. So it looks like we have successfully repaired this Octember fail. For how long it will hold up, I don't know. These speakers still work from when I reviewed them 2021, I think it was. They work. They sound nice and loud in the shower. Everything works well. And if they crap out, as much as I'm almost ashamed to admit, I'd buy another set because they were actually pretty good. Anyway, that's going to wrap this video up. Thank you very kindly for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.